NorthBamaWX here with conditions across North Alabama and southern Tennessee. We're currently monitoring 2 active weather alerts across the region. 2 high-priority alerts requiring immediate attention. Flash flood warning in effect for Madison in Alabama. Flash flood warning in effect for Marshall, Morgan in Alabama. Primary concern, 2 flooding alerts. Stay tuned for updates. This is NorthBamaWX, your regional weather intelligence. Lightning activity near Athens. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Moderate rain across the region, including Huntsville, Decatur, Athens. NorthBamaWX radar monitoring has detected intense storm